Dear students, welcome to the lecture video on rank correlation. Already you know what is the Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. There, the qualitative assessment is possible. Sometimes we have to deal with the problems in which data cannot be quantitatively measured, but qualitative assessment is possible. Okay. For example, that is the beauty. Okay. Beauty is the quality, and intelligence, it is a quality. Okay, good or bad, they are the qualities. To measure such qualitatives assessment, okay, quality assessment, we are using the rank correlation. Let a group of n individuals be arranged in order of merit or proficiency in possession of two characteristics A and B. The ranks in the two characteristics are in general different. For example, if A stands for intelligence and B for beauty, okay, it is not necessary that most intelligent individual may be the most beautiful. Okay, here intelligent and beauty are two characteristics. Okay, and that is vice versa also. That is the most beautiful characteristic cannot be have the more intelligent characteristic it is. Okay, thus an individual who is ranked at the top for the characteristic A, that is the intelligence, may be ranked at okay the bottom for the characteristic B, that is the beauty, and vice versa. Let xi and yi for I is equal to 1 to n be the ranks of the n individuals in the groups for the characteristics A and B respectively. The Spearman's formula for rank correlation is, okay, rank correlation usually denoted by the symbol rho and is given by the Spearman's rank correlation formula. Rho equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1, where d is the difference between the two ranks x and y, x minus y. If the ranks are repeated, then rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square plus 1 by 12 of m1 into m1 square minus 1 plus 1 by 12 into m2 square minus 1 plus dot 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 divided by n into n square minus 1. Here m1, m2 dot dot stands for the number of times an item is repeated. Okay. Now we will see few problems on this. The first problem, the ranking of 10 students in two subjects, field theory, that is the characteristic A, and network analysis B are given below. Okay, roll number of the student 1 to 10. Okay, and that is the field theory rank. Okay, that is the A. For the first student, it is here ranked 3, for the second student 5, third student 8, fourth student 4, fifth student 7, sixth student 10, seventh student 2, eighth student 1, ninth student 6, 10th student 9, their ranks. And in the subject network analysis, their ranks are 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient asked. Okay, we'll take there is the first characteristic as x, second characteristic as y. Okay, x values are 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6, 9. B characteristic, I have taken it as y. Okay, y values are 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. Okay, I find their difference. D is equal to x minus y. 3 minus 6 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 1, 8 minus 9 minus 1, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 7 minus 1, 6, 10 minus 2, 8, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus 10 minus 9, 6 minus 5, 1, 9 minus 7, 2. Okay, these are the difference in the x and y values. D square also I find, okay, because we required D square sum in the formula, that's why. Minus 3 whole square 9, 1 square 1, minus 1 whole square 1, minus 4 whole square 16, 6 square 36, 8 square 64, minus 1 whole square 1, minus 9 whole square 81, 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Sum of the D square values: 9 plus 1 plus 1 plus 16 plus 36 plus 64 plus 1 plus 81 plus 1 plus 4 definitely equal to summation of sigma D square is equal to 214 it is. Okay, 214. Rank correlation coefficient rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square divided by n into n square minus 1. Here rank of 10 students they have given, so that n value is equal to 10 it is. Sigma D square value we have, that is 214. Okay. Substitute the values. Rho equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square is 214 divided by 10 into 10 square minus 1. Okay. 1 minus 1284 divided by 990. Okay. It comes out as minus 0.29696967, approximately equal to minus 0.3. That is the rank correlation coefficient for the given data. One more problem. 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by 2 judges A and B in the following order. Okay. ID number of the competitor 1 to 10 it is 10. Okay. Competitors are there. Judge A is ranked them as 1, 6, 5, 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8 and Judge B ranked them as 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. We need to find out the rank correlation coefficient. Okay. Judge A ranked them as 1, 6, 5, 3. We'll take those values as x values. Judge B ranked them as 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. We'll take it as y. Okay. We'll find the difference between those two ranks. D is equal to x minus y. 1 minus 6 minus 5, 6 minus 4, 2, 5 minus 9 minus 4, 3 minus 8 minus 5, 10 minus 1, 9, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 3, 1, 9 minus 10, minus 1, 7 minus 5, 2, 8 minus 7, 1. Okay, D square value. Minus 5 whole square 25, 2 square 4, minus 4 whole square 16, minus 5 whole square 25, 9 square 81, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, minus 1 whole square 1, 2 square 4, 1 square 1. Okay, summation of D square. If I add these values, it comes out as 158. Okay, now rank correlation rho equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square divided by n into n square minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 6 into sigma D square, that's value is 158 divided by 10 into n is 10 it is. 10 into 10 square minus 1. On simplification it comes out as 0.04242442, approximately equal to 0.04. Okay. One more problem. The marks secured by recruits in the selection test X and in the proficiency test Y are given below. Okay. Serial number 1 to 9 candidates are there. Okay. In the that is the selection test. Okay. They have given those marks as okay 10, 15, 12, 17, 13, 17, 24, 14, 22 and proficiency test marks are 30, 42, 45, 46, 33, 34, 40, 35, 39. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient. Okay. Here instead of giving the ranks, they have given only the marks. Based on their marks, we need to assign the rank to the candidates. Okay. In the recruits test, the marks will be like this. Okay. There are 9 competitors, 9 candidates. And in the proficiency test, okay, their marks will be like this: 30, 42, 45, 46, 33, etc. Okay. Now, first we need to assign the rank. In the previous problems, directly they have given the ranks. But in this problem, they have not given the ranks. Instead of giving the ranks, they have given the marks. Okay. Based on their marks. Okay. Either in the ascending order or else in the descending order, we need to assign the rank. Okay. Usually we are giving the first rank for the good scorers. Okay. For the highest marks. In that order, I assign the ranks. Okay. Rank for the recruit test X. For the first candidate, highest rank, which is the highest marks in the recruit test, means among 10, 15, 12, 17, 13, 16, 24, 20, 14, 22 means 24 is the highest marks. So, for the recruit test, I assign the rank 1 for the candidate who scored marks 24. Okay. Next, highest rank will be the to the candidate who scored 22 marks. It is assign the rank 2. Okay. Next score is highest score is 17. For that candidate, we assign the rank 3. And the next score is 16. For that candidate, we assign the rank 4. Next rank is for the candidate who scored marks 15, that is 5. And for the next candidate, it is 14, it is 6th rank. And next is 13, 7th rank. Next is 12, 8th rank. Next is 10, it is the 9th rank. Okay. And similarly, for the proficiency test, highest scored by the candidate is the 46. For the candidate who scored the marks 46, assign the rank 1. Okay. The same candidate secured the rank 3rd, okay, in the recruit test. But in the proficiency test, he secured the rank 1st test. Okay. Next highest marks is 45, rank 2. Next highest marks is 42, rank is 3. Next highest marks is 40, rank is 4. Next highest marks is 39, rank is 5. Next highest marks is 35, rank is 6. Next highest marks is 34, rank is 7. Next highest marks is 33, rank is 8. Next highest marks is 30, the rank is 9. Okay. Now, we'll find the difference in their ranks at us. D is equal to x minus 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 3 minus 1, 2. 7 minus 8, minus 1. 4 minus 7, minus 3. 1 minus 4, minus 3. 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 5, minus 3. Okay. D square. 0 square 0, 2 square 4, 6 square 36, 2 square 4, minus 1 whole square 1, minus 3 whole square 9, minus 3 whole square 9, 0 square 0, minus 3 whole square is 9. Summation of D square. If I add all those, 0 plus 4 plus 36 40 plus 4 44 plus 1 45 plus 9 54 plus 9, okay, 63 plus 9, okay, 72. Sigma D square is equal to 72. Now the rank correlation coefficient rho equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square divided by n into n square minus 1. Okay. That is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square is 72 divided by 9 into 9 square is 81 minus 1. That is equal to 1 minus 432 divided by 720 is equal to 0.4 approximately equal to. Okay. I hope you understand how to find the rank correlation coefficient. Directly if they given the rank for the two characteristics, just you are finding their difference. D is equal to x minus 5 and their square of that, then you are using the formula. Suppose if the ranks are not assigned, okay, either in the ascending order or else in the descending order of their marks, okay, we need to assign the ranks. After assigning the ranks, we need to find their difference of the ranks, then use the that is a formula. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, and few problems I given as assignment problems. Okay, try to solve those problems.